Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone apps download faster. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your profile name at the top, and then select iCloud from the list. Right at the top, you'll see a section called Browse with More Privacy, and here you'll find the option. To turn on Private Relay, go ahead and enable this option. Once Private Relay is turned on, try downloading an app, and your download speed should improve. If that doesn't work, another step you can try is going back to the Settings menu, scrolling down to General, then scrolling down again and selecting VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN from the list. If you have any VPNs listed here, tap the information button next to them and then press Delete VPN. Confirm by pressing Delete, then close out and try downloading an app again. This should help fix the download speed. Another thing you can try is switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using cellular data, and if you're on cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. If you've tried all these steps and the download is still slow, the last thing I recommend is going to the App Store and downloading a free VPN. Often, using a VPN can also improve download speeds. Simply download one, connect to the VPN, and your download speed should get a boost. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.